the rain bans from Hurricane Barry are imminent, but we just bought these brand new kayaks yesterday. Well, they're not brand new, they're new to us, new. And it's 6:30 a.m. in Fairhope, and I think that we can get out on Fly Creek for at least an hour. Look how high the water is compared to, if you've seen our other Fly Creek Marina video, you can see how far we have to step down to get to the platform. Today it's all the way up. So, okay. So anyway, we'll see how this goes.
Yay! Well, my app said that it wasn't going to rain until noon, but clearly that is not the case.
I mean, we were tempting fate anyway.
Yes.
Hurricane Barry is on its way to Louisiana. We're
getting the outer bands now.
We're getting the outer bands right now. But we're just so excited about our new kayaks.
New Old Town kayaks. Super stoked. New old ones.
New to us.
So we wanted to get out on Fly Creek just for a few minutes and try them, because we haven't really tried to sit in kayaks before. But unfortunately my app...
We're sitting under somebody's dock on Fly Creek.
Avoiding the rain.
Kind of, hopefully it'll calm down enough for us to go back. So we got back to the marina in the pouring rain, but now of course it's stopped raining, but we did it. We tested out our new kayaks and we love them. Can't wait to come back out here again when it's a beautiful sunny day and there's no hurricane on its way. So fast the clouds are moving almost in the sky. Yeah, the Fairhope Market. It's a pretty little cup. Very, very delicious coffee this morning.
Post paddle coffee.
You enjoying your coffee?
I am. Southern pecan. Yummy.
Yummy.